Welcome to the Blake UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the PROFTOOL. This is a tool that's specifically designed for F connectors, making it really easy to get into really tight corners, and makes it easy to screw the F plug on nice and tight. It's two uses for inserting or removing an F plug, or on the other side you can actually get an F plug, screw that onto the end, and that helps you when you're fitting an F plug onto coax. So it's a dual purpose tool. I'm going to show you today how to use it with an LMB, standard Sky quad LMB in this case. So you get your cable with the plug attached, and that lays into the tool like so. So the cable runs down the tool and the plug's seated in the top there. So we'll get the LMB, insert it like that, and simply give it a twist. And where normally you'd be fighting to get your fingers in these tight nuts and crannies where the F connectors are, very easy with the F tool. And of course you can do it the other way around. It's absolutely ideal for extracting the F tool as well, the F plug as well. Like so. And that's the PROFTOOL.